Make $250 per day on YouTube in just 5 minutes. Imagine waking up one day and looking at your phone and then seeing $250 suddenly added to your account. Amazing, right? That may sound too good to be true, but that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. And by the end of this video, you will have everything you need to start making $9,000 a month. Now, I know that it may feel like it's hard to believe. I get it. But I found this YouTube channel that had earned over $10,000 a month. Stick around because I will also be diving into this in depth. If you are looking for a way to earn money easily, not doing any work and just setting it up will surface, I'm sorry, but this is not the video for you. This video is for individuals who are willing to put in the work to set this up in the beginning. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Is this really possible? Can I actually make money on YouTube using AI? And to be honest, I totally get it. When someone talk about making $9,000 a month online, it certainly feel off-right. Like it's hard to believe. But stick with me here because I'm going to prove to you that is indeed possible. I'm not just talking about maybe here. I have got the proof and let me show you. First up, check out this YouTube channel called Cashray. They have got a video on the channel that blew up to over 500,000 views. And keep in mind that this is a brand new channel that only started in April 2023. They have already racked up over 600,000 views and it's not fluxed either. You have probably seen channels like this all over the place using AI to create videos and make money. Take another one, 10x income. They only use AI to create the video and guess what? They are making over $10,000 a month and this is a beginner channel too with over 300,000 subscribers. Now you might be thinking, okay, that's great, but how does this apply to me? Don't worry, I am about to show you how you can do exact same thing and I'm going to help you do even faster than those guys. The key is I'm going to introduce you to a tools that been released just this month that's going to save you a tons of time from scripting to editing to creating thumbnail. So hang on tight because I'm going to blow your mind. Step number 1, picking your niche. Alright, let's get started with step number 1. The first thing you need to do is pick your niche. This is super important because it's going to be the foundation of everything you do. You need a niche where you can promote product that will earn you money, and I mean real money. Think $500 or more per sale. You don't want to rely on the YouTube partner program. We are going to use affiliate marketing to make money right now. Now, affiliate marketing might sound new to some of you, but don't worry, it's really simple. You partner with companies that sell products or services. They give you a special link. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. And this is one of the fastest way to make money online. And you don't even have to wait until you are monetized by YouTube to start. So what kind of niches should you go for? Well, some of the most profitable ones are gaming, tech, make money online, or travel. If you are stuck and don't know which niche to pick, just ask ChatGPT seriously. You can ask it for a list of profitable niches for affiliate marketing on YouTube and boom, it got you covered. For this video, I'm going to pick the travel niche I have been looking into for a while. And there are some great affiliate programs where you can earn commission of 40 to 80% and the prices start at least $1,000. That means you can make $500 to $1,000 for just one sales. You see how quickly this can add up? It's the perfect niche for me. Step number 2, creating video with AI. Now we are getting into the fun part, creating your video. And here's where it gets really cool. I'm going to show you how to make an awesome YouTube video in under 2 minutes using AI. Yeah, you heard that right. No more spending hours on editing, worry about scripts, and definitely no more paying video editors. You are about to see how AI can do it all for you. Let me introduce you to NVIDIA AI, a brand new tool that just launched it. I have got early access and I am about to show you how to use it. It's so simple, you won't believe it. You log in and you will greet it with a dashboard that look like this. Now the first thing you want to do is type in the topic of your video. The more specific you are, the better your video will be. For example, since I'm going with the travel niche, I'm going to type in something like this: best summer vacation ideas for 2025. That's a hot topic right now. especially with everyone planning the vacation. Once you have got your topic ready, just hit generate video and watch the magic unfold. In second, video AI will give you a video title and then it will ask you a few questions. What type of audience are you targeting? What vibe do you want for the video? Do you want it for YouTube? Do you want it for Instagram, Facebook? Once you fill all that out, video AI will create a completely video for you. Script, voiceover, images, everything. And here's what happened next. Video AI generated the voiceover with a natural sound human voice, gives you a complete script, and even insert all the relevant images. This is an absolutely game changer. No more spending hours looking for stock footage or figuring out how to tie everything together. Everything is done for you. The AI even uses copyright-free images and video, so you don't have to worry about getting flagged. Now, don't worry about the watermark you might see at first. Once you export the video in HD, it's gone. You are left with a complete polished video that you can upload straight to your chosen platform. If you want to tweak anything, you can go ahead and edit the media or the script. You can add more details, swap out images, or even adjust the length of the script. It's super flexible. Once you are happy with your video, you can export it in 1080p or 4K and boom, you are done. You have got a fully formatted video ready to upload to your chosen platform, all thanks to AI. Step number 3, finding affiliate programs. Alright, so now you have got your video and it's looking amazing, but we need to make money off of it, right? That's where step 3 comes in, finding affiliate program to promote. So what do you do? Simple. Go to Google and type in best affiliate program in your niche. For example, since I am in the travel niche, I search it for best travel affiliate program and boom, tons of results pop up. One of the top results is booking.com. The commission rates are super high, so if I promote an expensive hotel or Airbnb, I could easily make $500 or more per sale. Another great affiliate program is the Amazon Associate Program. While the commission rates might not be as high as booking.com, they sell a variety of travel-related products like luggage, travel, gadget, or accessories. This makes Amazon a great option to diversify your income stream. You can promote specific products that will resonate with your audience, like noise-canceling headphones for flight or portable chargers for on the go. The best part, you can add those affiliate links directly to your YouTube video description. So when people watch the travel video and decide they want to book a hotel or buy travel gear, they click the link in your description, and when they make a purchase, you get a commission. That is passive income, my friend. To sign up for those programs, just click the registration button on the website, fill out a quick form, and you are good to go. Then all you have to do is add those links to your YouTube description and start earning money. Step number 4, upload to YouTube. The final step is uploading your AI generated content to YouTube. It's actually very easy. Once you have got your channel set up, you have your banner, your logo, and the channel description. All you have to do is hit the upload button, drag and drop your video, and let YouTube do its thing. When your video uploaded, it's time to fill out some details. You want to make sure that your video is optimized for searching and that people can actually find it. So make sure you add a compelling title and description. For my video, I'm using the title and video AI gave me, top 10 summer vacation ideas for 2023. Then, for the description, I used ChatGPT to help me come up with some ideas. And don't forget to add your affiliate link. Under the description, you will list all the best hotel, apartments, and travel destination from your niche with the affiliate link to each one. Next, add some tags to increase your video reach. Tags are very important. They help YouTube know what your video is about and show it to the right people. So add as many relevant tags as you can. For example, if I am talking about summer vacation ideas, I'll use tags like summer vacation ideas, best places to travel in 2025, family vacation, budget travel, etc. The more relevant tags you add, the easier your video will be found. And lastly, create an absolutely amazing thumbnail. This is the first thing people see, so you want to make sure it grabs their attention. You can use tools like Midjourney to create AI-generated thumbnail that stand out. Bright, bold colors, and clear text are your best friends here. Your thumbnail should give people a sneak peek of what your video is about and make them want to click on it immediately. If you are done with everything, just simply hit publish and boom, your video is live on YouTube. Ready to start earning your money? Here's the thing though, you can't expect to upload one video and start making $9,000 a month. The key to making this work is being consistent with it. You want to upload video regularly, let's say once or maybe twice a week, or continually improve the quality of your content. As you build your channel, you start ranking higher in search results and getting more views. The more content you have, the more affiliate link you can promote, and the more chances you have to earn money. Keep an eye on what works and change your strategy to grow your earning even more. Starting on YouTube and even earning money on YouTube has never been easier. And if you want to learn what are the top 8 faceless YouTube channel ideas for your channel, click this video right here. Top 8 faceless YouTube channel ideas, automation niches. Before you go, don't forget to like this video, and if you want to see more, press the like button down below and click the notification bell so that you will be notified of my next video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you over there. See you. Peace. Bye.